Alright guys, welcome back to Newbill's video. We are on the last one for logarithms, Unit 7.
Yeah.
Unit 7.
Come on! LeBron!
Unit 7. Okay, here we go. So we are doing a video here with logarithms. Right? So number 36, you have to go ahead and add 5 to the other side first. Right? You gotta do sad map. Sad map. So you get 21 on the right side. Get 21 on the right side. How do we undo base 4? So we log base 4. So we log base 4. Everybody say log base 4.
Log base 4!
And if you log base 4, if you log base 4 on one side, you have to log base 4 on the other side. So then we get x plus 3 is equal to log base 4 of 21. And then we can go ahead and what do we do to the other side? We can minus 3. Close, close. We minus 3, guys. We minus 3 to the other side. Minus 3 to the other side. Now be careful, because log base 4 of 2 is its own number. So don't do 2 minus 3. Don't do it. Don't do it. So that'll just be our answer. That'll just be our answer. If they want you to plug it in for 3 decimal places, then we can. So go and get out your calculator there. There we go. So we're going to hit the math button. And we're going to go to log base 4. So log base 4 of 2. Make sure it's school appropriate. And then minus 3. So we get negative 2.5. So we get x equals negative 2.5. So x equals negative 2.5 is our answer. That's our answer.
Never allowed to erase your whiteboard again.
Ever. As long as Ian comes to statistics, I want to erase it.
I don't have statistics.
Okay, how do we undo ln, you guys? How do we undo ln? We base E both sides, right? We kind of raise you up, stand on mountains. We raise you up, stormy seas.
Why is it not working?
You cancel it.
You guys dropped it.
3x squared plus 2 equals 29.
Stormy seas.
Then we have to get everything on the same.
Will it slice?
Don't do it.
Will it slice?
Don't do it. So then we get 3x squared is equal to 27. We're going to divide by 3. So we get x squared is equal to, what's 27 divided by 3? So it's 9. Sorry about that, son. Okay, so there we go. Now how do we undo x squared? How do we undo x squared? How do we undo x squared? Might have to edit that out, maybe not, we'll see. And then we square root both sides. We square root both sides.
Yeah!
So we get plus or minus 9. We get plus or minus 9. There we go. So then we have to condense it. Condense it to log base 3.
7.
Okay, here we go, you guys.
7.
So what does addition become? Addition becomes multiplication. Multiplication.
How does addition not
Don't break it.
Oh.
Times x plus 6. You know you've missed my math lab doing videos with me. You know you're behind the screen. You know you missed that. Oh, please hold on to that. Don't let anybody break it. Don't give it back to anybody. Okay, so then we... And now we're going to go ahead and... We're going to put a 3 underneath it. If you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So that gets rid of the log base 3. X times x is x squared.
Who's breathing in the mic, Rob?
Plus 6x. 3 to the third power is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. We're going to minus that 27 to the other side. There we go. So then we get x. 27 is 9 times 3. And then we have sine alternative of a bigger number.
That's it, you wolf.
Bigger number.
You can do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, so last but not least, We have 9x minus 3x. No. Considering each of the 0. So the x equals negative 9. X equals a positive 3. 2.
Can't not do
Number.
Base 9.
So that doesn't work, and that one does work.
No, I'm getting overstimulated. I gotta leave.
Okay, thanks so much for watching.
Well,
Bye for now.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Bye for now.
Bye.
Woo, that was a wild ride during my math lab. They wanted to make a video with me for you. But luckily nobody got a hold of the spray. The weather this year is going crazy. I might have to use this spray already. It's like February and the weather's really good outside. I hope the wasps don't come already. Keep them away, keep them away. So thanks for watching our video. So we're still just going through the logs right now. Going through the logs. All right, so we're on number 39. Remember, pause me, try it on your own, stop copying. You can fail the test. Just pause me, try it on your own. After each problem, try it on your own. So how do we undo ln? So we undo ln by putting an e underneath it and raise you up.
Oh, wait, no, wait.
And you do it to both sides. Do it to both sides. Oh yeah, name drop. I got Wyatt here and Ashlyn. Woo, name drop. Yeah, they're here with me. Working hard on homework and tests. So then, that undoes the ln. So you're left with 2x is equal to e to the 2.4. And then you're just going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. Nice. Do they want us to round to so many decimal places or leave it in exact form? Yep, I guess 3 decimal places. Exact form and 3 decimal places. Okay, fine. So there we go. So let me use our calculator. And we go second e to the 2.4. Right arrow divided by 2. So 3 decimal places, 5.512, 5.512. X equals 5.512. There we go. Okay, next one. You don't have to condense it, but you do have to get everything to the other side first. So minus 6, we get 6. And then we have, 2 log base 4x plus 1, trying to solve for x. So then we're going to divide by 2. So divide by 2, and now we have log base 4x plus 1 equals 3. How do we undo log base 4? How do we do it? So how do we do that? So we shove a 4 underneath it and raise you up, Stattle Mountains. Raise you up, stormy seas. Okay, so then we have x plus 1 down equals, wow, so that's not a 3 anymore. That's a 4 to the 3rd power. And so that's 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. And then we minus 1, and we get 63. Woo! Nice. So 63 is our answer. If we plug it in, we get 63 plus 1 is 64. 4 to the 3rd power is 4 to the 3rd power is 4 to the 3rd power is 64. So 3 times 2 is 6. Yep, it works. Condense it. I'm going to condense it now to 1 log. And so that's going to be 2x minus becomes division. X minus 3 equals 1. And then how do we undo log base 5? We base 5. Both sides, base 5. So then we're left with 2x over x minus 3 equals not a 1 anymore. Now it's a 5.
Students, we still have 2 lunches today. Either head to class or lunch, depending on your schedule.
Yeah, whoa.
Come to the basketball game tonight.
Multiply x minus 3 over to the other side. There we go, you guys. So then we're going to distribute the 5 through. So we get 2x is equal to 5x minus 15. And then we're going to minus 2x to this side. Pause me, try it on your own. And add 15 over to this side. So then we get 3x equals 15. That goes away. Divide by 3. And we get x equals 5, which does work, Nice. So then I'm going to pause myself. And we're back, finishing our video here. So this one's going to be on the test. This is more of a graphing one, right guys? This is more of a graphing one. So you're going to use your graphing calculator, and you're going to go ahead and do intersection. Find the intersection of the two graphs. So basically this is y1, and this will be y2. Log base 4, 3x squared minus 4. And so you're just going to plug both of these into your calculator like that. And then intersection. So how do we do that? We go square root of ln x plus 2, close parenthesis, right arrow to get out of the square root, and then plus 2. And then the next one is math log base 4 of, wow, 3x squared, okay, minus 4. And then we graph them both and push zoom 6 if it doesn't show up on your graph. Okay, so I just see one intersection, and that intersection, push trace, They can't hear me from back here, push trace. And then we push trace, go all the way over here. And then we push, where's intersection? So intersection is second calc. So second trace, second calc, intersection. And so that's going to be option 5, So then you push enter 3 times. Enter 3 times. So we go enter, enter, enter. So 6.4636, round to 3 decimal places. So that would be 6.4636. 6.4636. And that's going to round up to 6.464. Is our answer. Woo! That's our answer. Awesome. All right, just helping a student there. Okay, so we graphed it. We got it right. Woo! So there's our intersection. Can you do that again? Can you do those steps on the test? Graph y1, y2, push graph, then go to trace over to the intersection, and then second trace, second calc, and then option 5, enter, enter, enter. Write it on your note card if you get one, if you're allowed to use one. Okay, there we go. Awesome. So next, we got some word problems going on. You have $12,500 and plan on investing it at 6% interest rate. How much money will you have in 15 years if the interest is compounded quarterly, monthly, continuously? So we're using a special formula for this. Do you remember the formula? So the formula is y equals your principal amount, 1. Are we doing investing? Yep, so plus the 0.06, this is 0.06, divided by quarterly would be 4 times a year, raised to the 4 times a year. So this, as they say, is R for rate, and number of compounds, and then number of compounds times the years, the time. Cool. So this would be y equals the principal, which is 12,500, times 1 plus the rate, which is 0.06, divided by quarterly, to the quarterly, times how many years? So it would be 15 years. So that's times 15 years. Cool. Okay, so we just plug that in our calculator. And then we change it to monthly, which, so this is quarterly, and then this is monthly, and then continuously. We'll show you continuously in a second. So then you go to y equals 12,500 times 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. I would use a parenthesis for that, just in case. So 0.06 divided by 4. There we go. 0.06 divided by 4. Awesome. So 0.06 divided by 4. And then close parenthesis. Good. Then close parenthesis again, just in case. It all needs to be in there. And then to the, we have a 4 times 15 power. And there we go, like that. And then we push enter. And so, yeah, so 12,000 after 15 years at a 6% interest rate, compounded 4 times a year, is going to give us 30,540. But let me double check just in case. All right, that was right. We got it right. I just wanted to double check and make sure our calculator was doing it right there. So we got 30,540.25 if you round to the nearest 2 decimal places. So we get 30,540.25 nearest 2 decimal places. And we do it monthly. So quarterly is 4 times a year. How much is monthly? Pause me, try the next one on your own. Try it on your own. So pause me, try it on your own. Okay, so now instead of 4 times a year, it's going to be 12 times a year. Whoa, what's that going to do? That's a lot of compounding. Okay, so that's going to be, let me see here. Oh, made a mistake somewhere. So 12 times a year, 4 times a year. So now we're doing 12 times a year. Let's try that again, make sure we did it right. Because that seems like a lot more money. What's going on? Something's going wrong, and I don't know what it is. Let's try it again. So let's try it in parentheses. Second insert parentheses. Another parentheses. And then 12 times 15. Maybe that's going to change it? No, I'm getting a bigger number. What is going on? Does it really increase that much? I wouldn't think so. I didn't think it increased it that much. Oh, I forgot to divide by 12. Forgot to divide by 12. So, yeah, we forgot the formula. You also have to change it down here. So second insert 1, and then a 2. Yeah, you got to change n in 2 places, in the exponential and below the rate. Okay, we push enter. There we go. There we go. Thanks, Lucarini. Answer key, helping me. So 30,676.17. Nice. There we go. Awesome. Let's just double check that there. Yep, looks good. Round to the nearest 2 decimal places. Okay, so continuously means that you're going to now use e as your base, right? So now we do y equals the initial, 12,500. But this time we're going to use e as your base. And so e to the rate times time. So that's going to be the rate, which is 0.06, times the time, which was 15, so 15 years. Okay, give that a try now. So now we go to 12,500 times e to the parentheses 0.06 times 15 years. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. So then we get a little bit more out of that, compounding continuously, infinity. So a little bit more. So 3745.04. So y equals 3745.04. Nice. Cool.